you're in need of a basic skincare routine. Where do you start? What products do you use? What steps do you need in a basic skincare routine? If that's what you're looking for, then I'm here to guide you through it all. So first things first, with this routine, I am just going to include morning and evening, your night routine all together, because there are a few differences, but most of the steps are very similar. We're starting with a morning routine. What's the first step we're going to do? Step one in a basic skincare routine is to cleanse your skin. I feel like every step in your skincare routine is very important, but cleansing your skin has to be number one. So depending on your skin type, if you have oily, dry, or combination skin, then you want to make sure you are picking out a cleanser that is for your skin type. Now there are, in general, if you are confused about what your skin type is or anything like that, then I think it's always a good thing to get a simple facial cleanser that is made for all skin types. I think a basic cleanser can work for anybody, any skin type, especially when you just are starting out. So I can link a few that are some of my favorites and some that I used to use. There are some affordable ones and some more higher end ones, but a basic cleanser is something you need. You need something nice quality. It doesn't have to be expensive, but you have to have something that doesn't strip your skin. It doesn't leave you feeling dry, or it doesn't leave a residue on your face. Something that when you wash your face, you just want your skin to feel nice. So yes, the purpose of a cleanser, it removes the debris and dirt that you have on your face. It preps your skin for new products to be applied to your skin. And thirdly, it helps you to maintain a clear, clean complexion, because we collect so much debris on our face throughout the day, throughout the night. When it comes to the environment, the pollution in the air, the UV rays, just all the things in the air that we get exposed to, you want to make sure you're cleansing it off. And not even just what we're exposed to, but for those that sometimes maybe for the morning routine, after you've done your night routine, it's morning time and you think, oh, okay, my face is clean. Some people do suggest just rinsing your face with water. I know there has been dermatologists that have recommended that. And if you are okay with that, then that's fine. For me personally, I need to wash my face in the morning. I previously used to be very oily, acne prone. I'm more combo skin now. I do get seldom breakouts. So cleansing my face in the morning is a must for me, or it just doesn't feel so great. So that's step one in a basic skincare routine, get a basic cleanser. Step two in a basic skincare routine, you need some type of antioxidant serum or a toner, something that has antioxidants. And what do I mean by antioxidants? I'm referring to a vitamin C serum. It could be a niacinamide serum or a combination of those things, or a toner that has those as well. But you need some type of antioxidant, because the purpose of a morning routine is to protect. We are literally trying to put on our armor in the morning so that we can go into our day, into our environment, and have a shield over our face, trying to protect it from that UV rays, the sun that's beaming, the pollution that's in the air, the everyday debris that we don't even see. It gets on our skin. So those are things that can irritate your skin. Those are things that can inflame your skin. Those are things that can cause hyperpigmentation. Melasma is a type of hyperpigmentation. So those are things that you want to protect your skin from getting. And the morning routine is what you are trying to do. Protect, shield, and put on that armor in the morning. Antioxidants help to defend our skin from those everyday stressors. So I recommend that everyone, when starting a basic skincare routine, you definitely want to have some type of antioxidant. A vitamin C serum, a niacinamide serum, something in combination with that, but vitamin C has been proven to work very well with our sunscreens. So that's something that we'll get into when you get to that step, but I do recommend that you find an antioxidant serum that works well for you. What are the benefits of using an antioxidant serum or toner in the morning? Number one, it defends against environmental stressors. Number two is that it promotes a more healthy, vibrant, and radiant skin. And then lastly, it helps to boost your SPF. There are some sunscreens that come with vitamin C already, but I personally would still want to put my vitamin C and then go on with my sunscreen. But if you want to make it very basic, you could find a sunscreen that already has vitamin C. So on to step 3 of a basic skincare routine. Step 3 is going to be moisturizing. Moisturizer. Moisturizing your skin is very important. If you haven't watched my Skin Barrier 101 or Skin Barrier video, I'll link that in the cards here. You can watch that after you finish this one, because first you need to learn a basic skincare routine. Then you can go learn about why it's important to take care of your skincare barrier, which is what we're trying to learn how to do here now. A great moisturizer helps to promote a healthy skin barrier. It also creates a healthy shield from the environment, and it also helps to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. So it is very important to do that, because if you did not know, our skin layers, it contains fatty lipids, and there's like a water part or a fatty lipid part, but all of those moisturizers help to keep everything balanced. This is going to be applied after your cleanser and your antioxidant if you want, and then before your sunscreen. So you do want to apply this before your sunscreen. Which brings me to step number 4, SPF. Sunscreen is for you. Anyone watching this video, you want to be watching sunscreen. And I know so many melanated beauties think or believe that they do not need sunscreen, but we do. Because of our melanin, we do have a natural amount of sun protection, but it is not enough for extended stays. It's not something that is going to protect you fully. Sunscreen shields your skin from harmful UV rays. It prevents sunburn, premature aging, and reduces the risk of skin cancer. Another big benefit of wearing sunscreen, especially that's the main reason I wear it, is hyperpigmentation. Sunscreen helps to reduce hyperpigmentation when it comes to dark spots from post-acne inflammation or eczema spots, or for me, in my case, I do get dark spots from acne spots, but I also have melasma. So I've had melasma after my 2 pregnancies, and ever since then, if I'm not wearing my sunscreen, my areas here, they still can get dark. I've been able to get it together, and thank God, using my products and sunscreen, making sure I'm wearing my sunscreen, my SPF, and you need an SPF of at least 30 and up is where I would go. I would go 30 to no more than 50 for your SPF. Sunscreen is what is going to help protect and seal all this work you're doing to get your skin healthy. You have to put that sunscreen on to be able to seal the deal, okay? Seal the deal with sunscreen. That is the last step in a basic morning skincare routine. Just to reiterate the steps of a basic morning skincare routine. Step 1, we're gonna cleanse our face with a cleanser that works well with our skin type. Number 2, we're going to apply some type of antioxidant serum or toner. Number 3, we're then going to put in a skin barrier friendly moisturizer, and finding the right one for your skin type is also important. And then lastly, step 4, we will apply an SPF of at least 30 on our face. That helps to seal the deal, seal in all those steps. We lastly finish up with SPF. So now we're moving on to a basic nighttime skincare routine. Step 1 in a basic nighttime skincare routine is pre-cleansing. Yes, I believe that pre-cleansing with an oil cleanser, it is very beneficial for most skin types. I think if you find the right one for your skin type, it can be a big game changer. The purpose of pre-cleansing with an oil cleanser is to remove the sunscreen we apply in the morning, the makeup, if you wear makeup, the makeup you apply, the debris that we have exposed ourselves to during the day. It helps to just remove that layer, especially if you wear sunscreen or makeup. This really helps to get all of that gunk, because it does kind of settle into your pores. An oil cleanser is good at removing oil soluble types of dirt. So makeup, sunscreen, that helps to get it off very easily. So the benefits of using a cleansing balm: it can prevent clogged pores, it enhances the effectiveness of skincare products, and it also promotes healthier skin. Moving on to step 2 of our basic nighttime skincare routine. This is going to be the second part of our double cleansing. So we pre-cleanse with the cleansing oil, and then secondly, we're going to follow up with a cleanser. So this can be the same cleanser that you used in the morning, or some people do like to use 2 different things in the morning and in the evening. Like for myself, I use a more hydrating cleanser in the morning, and then in the evenings I use a more deep cleansing facial cleanser. So a more deep cleansing cleanser, a deep facial cleanser I use at night. Because I do wear makeup during the day or sunscreen, and it's like a long day, so I prefer to use a deep cleansing facial wash at night. But when you are starting a basic skincare routine, you can use the same one you used in the morning at night. I have those days. I've done that for the longest, and you still see great improvement in your skin. Benefits of that, like we said, it removes dirt and oil and impurities. It preps your skin for other products, and it maintains a healthy complexion, just like we said in the first part. So there's nothing different except you're following this after your oil cleansing, your pre-cleanse with an oil cleanser. Step 3 in our basic nighttime skincare routine: to target/treat. So I told you that our morning skincare routine is usually, the purpose of our morning skincare routine is to create a shield, to protect, to, be on the defense of the environment when we're going out, because we're going to be in the sun, we're going to be exposing ourselves to UV rays, we're going to be exposing ourselves to the pollution in the air. So we're protecting ourselves. Now at night, being that you're going to be home, you want to think of your nighttime routine as to treat, to target. So whatever skincare issues that you're having, then you want to use products that target those issues. Be it acne, eczema, rosacea, hyperpigmentation, you want to be using products that treat that at night. Targeted products addresses your specific issues, like the things that I listed: the acne, hyperpigmentation, rosacea, eczema, fine lines, wrinkles. Those targeted products will address those, and it's best to use at night. You want to apply that after you have done your cleansing step. So you pre-cleanse, you cleanse, or double cleanse, and then now you are treating. At night, our body naturally goes into a reparative state. This is the best time to apply our treatments during the night. It's more efficient to use it at night. That is step 3 in a nighttime routine that is going to be different than your basic morning routine. And then we're going to go to step 4, which is the moisturizer, which is something you also need at night. Now the difference between the morning moisturizer and the evening moisturizer can differ. Some prefer, like myself, I do prefer something more light at night, and then in the evenings I do like to wear something a little heavier. Depending on your skin type and what type of balance you need in your skin. If you have the dry, combo, oily skin, then you want to pick something there. Now, I do want to state, just because you have oily skin does not mean you shouldn't be using a moisturizer, or you shouldn't use like a heavier moisturizer. It just depends on how oily your skin is. Now, if you feel like you have flaky skin and oily at the same time, it might just be because you're not using a moisturizer that's helping to keep your moisture in balance. So your skin is overcompensating and making more oil to help lubricate your skin. So you do want to just try them out and see. And then I do want to do more like options for moisturizers for different skin types, so I will be having some videos coming out soon about that. That was the last step in a basic skincare routine. I do want to just say you can go even more basic than that. Having a routine, a basic routine in general, can literally you really just need like 3 steps: cleansing, moisturizing, sunscreen in the morning. I would do the double cleanse at night, moisturize, and you're done. That's the most basic you can get. But if you want to take it up a few notches, then including antioxidants in your routine is crucial. It is crucial to include antioxidants. That's where the money is, okay? That's where the results come. That's where you really get that glass skin, is when you use products that are protective, hydrating, moisturizing, doesn't strip your skin, doesn't irritate it too much. That is what you want to do. If you have any questions, if you've made it this far, I want to know who made it to the end. Can you leave a purple heart in the comments? Let me know if you watched the whole thing. If you have questions or concerns, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. And if you think this was helpful for you, or you think someone else could benefit from this, please share this video. If you want to support this channel, share this video and subscribe. I mean, why not? It's free. I hope you stay healthy and beautiful and keep on glowing.